In this video, I'm gonna show you the best application to clean up your low-end PCs. As you can see, in only 2 minutes, I have cleared 985 megabytes temporary files easily. Let's begin the video. First, open Google Chrome and search Mem Reduct. Now click on the first website. Then download the application by clicking on the Download for Windows button. Then click on the application and install it. Open the application as an administrator. Click on the File button at the top left corner and click on Settings. Now check the toggle for Load on System Startup and close it. Now, you can easily clean up your system files by clicking on Clean Up Memory. Enjoy!